All right. You know, I'm actually quite impressed. This little 20-volt dewalt just made pretty quick work of that tree. I know it's not, it's not my farm boss or any of those, but I'm actually quite impressed for such a little electric saw. Made quick work of that, and let me see. The battery went down 1 bar, but I grabbed this battery from next to the charger, so who knows. I wouldn't use it all the time on a farm like mine here, but a homeowner, nice little suburban lot or something like that, this thing's a beast. Keep it in your UTV or something. Heck yeah, I'm impressed.